Bitbank Crypto Investment Platform Review Usage Experience. Links to Bitbank are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover its key features, who it's designed for, and whether it's a good choice for crypto investors. Bitbank is one of Japan's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, known for its high security, deep liquidity, and low trading fees. The platform supports major cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and more, with a strong focus on JPY, Japanese yen, trading pairs. One of its biggest strengths is its order book liquidity, making it an attractive choice for traders looking for tight spreads and efficient execution. The platform operates with a maker-taker fee model, where makers enjoy negative fees, 9 is 0.02%, meaning you actually earn a rebate for providing liquidity, while takers pay a low 0.12% fee. This pricing structure is highly competitive compared to global exchanges. Bitbank is fully regulated by Japan's Financial Services Agency, FSA, ensuring compliance with strict security and operational standards. It uses cold storage for funds, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and rigorous KYC verification to enhance user safety. Its reliability has earned it a strong reputation among Japanese traders. The trading interface is professional and intuitive, providing advanced charting tools and seamless integration with TradingView, making it ideal for technical traders. The platform is also available via a mobile app, allowing users to monitor the markets and trade on the go. However, Bitbank is primarily designed for Japanese users, with limited fiat options outside JPY deposits and withdrawals. Non-Japanese residents may face restrictions, making it less accessible to international traders. Additionally, Bitbank does not offer derivatives or margin trading, so those seeking leverage will need to look elsewhere. Overall, Bitbank is a top choice for Japanese investors who want a secure, regulated, and liquid exchange with low fees and deep order books. If you're looking for a reliable platform to trade crypto in Japan, Bitbank is one of the best options available. Check the links in the description to explore Bitbank for yourself.